Hello everyone, welcome to studygyan.com. In this video, we will be learning how to make full screen VirtualBox on Windows. So let's get started. Here you can see this is not the full screen. So now let's go to the devices and select the insert guest addition CD image. Click on it. Now go to this PC. And here you can see that this PC and CD drive VirtualBox guest editions. Click on it. Here you can see the VBox window edition AMD 64-bit. Click on it. Next. Install. Finish. You can reboot now. Now restarting. Now press the Ctrl F. Here you can see the full screen of the window. This is all for the video. Thanks for watching.